Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to add text to the beginning and end of every number in Excel. So you can see here that I have a very simple list of numbers. It's actually your student ID. And now for better management, the school actually wants to add the department code. For example, EN means engineering student. And then at the end of the number, we also want to add which campus they are in. For example, New York. If you know that the text that you want to add to the beginning and the end of every number is going to be the same, well, just select the text. Go to number and click on the number format icon here. Alright, now go to custom number, and then in the type box just type whatever text you want to appear at the beginning and the end of the number. Now whenever you are working with text, remember to put it inside two double quotes so Excel will recognize it as text. Alright, now the student ID is a 7-digit number, so type hashtag 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now, and at the end, we want to add the NY, so double quote, NY, close double quote, and then hit enter. And you can see here that the student ID will be EN9247864NY. All right, so that looks good. Click OK. It is returning it with a lot of hashtags, but don't worry, this is just because there isn't enough space. So just drag the cell to the right a little, and there we have it, EN9247864NY. So the engineering student with the student number 9247864 who's taking the class in the New York campus. All right, so that is done. Now, this is a very simple scenario. In reality, our job will be a lot more complicated because we would need to work with students that are coming in from all sorts of different departments, and they will be attending at various campuses. All right, so how do we combine all the start and the number and the end all together? Well, there are several ways that this can be done. One is to use a concat function, and this will join the values from different cells all in one cell. Or you can also use the AND function, AND, abbreviation for AND. All right, and I actually prefer to use the AND function because it's less messy and less prone to error. All right, so here's how we do it. Equal sign. Now, the first value is B4, okay, and the second value is C4, okay. Now, and again, the third value is VT. All right, so CN9247864VT. Okay, that is done. Now press enter, and there you have it. Now all we need to do is to go to the first cell and double click, and this will fill down the values for all the cells below it, and our job is done. So I hope you found this video useful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.